Things have gone from bad to worse. Judge Engoron lost his cool on discovering more evidence of fraud. With his son and daughter, Alanka, now in serious trouble, the penalty has been raised from $355 million to $455 million. In this video, we will break it down for you. But before we continue, kindly subscribe and give this video a like. New York has officially ordered former President Donald Trump to pay an unprecedented $44.2 million in damages for his involvement in the scandal involving his personal wealth. This landmark decision is the product of a civil fraud action that the Attorney General of New York State brought against Trump, and it represents a turning point in the legal struggles over his business practices. The substantial sum reportedly comprises the $354.9 million first penalty, as ordered by Justice Arthur Engoron of the Manhattan State Court on February 16, as reported in a Saturday, February 24, 2024, Yahoo News item. This historic ruling comes after a 3-month-long non-jury trial that highlighted the seriousness and intricacy of the legal processes involving Trump's financial actions. Former President Trump and his legal team have fiercely disputed the charges of fraudulent manipulation of Trump's net worth that are at the heart of the lawsuit brought forward by the New York Attorney General. The judges resolved to hold Trump responsible for any misconduct revealed during the trial is underscored by the court's decision, which deals a crushing blow to Trump's defense. The imposing of such a hefty financial penalty is a clear indication that Trump is in legal danger and that his alleged misbehavior might have serious consequences. The decision sent a strong message against dishonesty and a determination to maintain the rule of law, which bears considerable symbolic weight beyond its monetary consequences. Following the court's verdict, Trump and his legal team will most likely investigate possible appeals in order to contest the decision and lessen the impact on the president's finances. Nevertheless, the difficulty of their situation highlights how serious the trial evidence was and how difficult it is to contest the court's decision. The verdict will have far-reaching effects beyond what is immediately an issue for Trump in the court system. For prominent people and company owners, it's a warning about the perils of being dishonest in money matters. Another important takeaway from the case is the importance of state attorneys general in bringing powerful people and companies to justice. There will be long-running discussions over responsibility, openness, and the rule of law as a result of the impact of the court's ruling on the political and legal realms. The ruling's larger consequences for American democracy and the judicial system are being hotly debated and scrutinized as Trump deals with its effects. At the end of the day, the decision shows that the judicial system can persevere and stand firm against strong interests and difficult legal obstacles. As Trump deals with the aftermath of the court's ruling, the case is a stark reminder of the gravity of unbridled power and the need for responsibility in a democratic nation. Alama Harbour, who is defending former President Trump, has rejected New York Attorney General Letitia James's threat to seize Trump's assets if he does not pay the penalties levied in his civil business fraud trial. According to a story by The Hill on Thursday, February 22, 2024, you may remember that after the approximately $355 million judgment against Trump, James had lately said that she was prepared to confiscate his assets, including his 40 Wall Street locations. James hinted at her plan to seek to collect the unpaid penalties in an interview with ABC News that aired on television. She singled out Trump's property holdings as possible assets to be seized at an interview on The Story with Martha Malum, a Fox News program. Harbour played down James's threat, saying that neither her warning nor James' lawsuit would be successful. President Trump is one of the greatest presidents we have ever seen, and one of the smartest businessmen, Harbour asserted with confidence. Her plan to bring him down will fail if she believes that she can achieve it. Defamation writer Ian Carroll recently received an $83.3 million judgment from a New York City jury which comes after a major legal defeat for Trump, according to a report HS. Comments follow this astounding $4,381 million in punitive penalties, not including interest, await Trump. In light of the latest civil business fray decision, James reaffirmed her goal of collecting on the judgment in the face of increasing financial pressure, saying if he does not have funds to pay off the judgment, then we will seek judgment enforcement mechanisms in court, and we will ask the judge to seize his assets. Thank you for your time.